better sound quality and only when water, dirt, and sand are not a risk. To change the back door on the housing, lift the latch, then pivot it back and up to release the back door. Open the back door, then firmly pull it off the hinge. Push the new back door into the hinge until it snaps into place. Be sure the seal is clean, then close the back door. The Hero 4 Black can be used with all GoPro mounts. 3 mounts are included in the box, along with 2 adhesive mounts, so you can easily adapt your GoPro to your activities. Adhesive mounts make it easy to secure the camera to curved or flat surfaces, such as helmets, vehicles, and other gear. The 3-way pivot arm lets you mount your camera on the side of the helmet or anywhere you need to rotate at 90 degrees. To give you an idea of how to put everything together, let's set everything up for a motorcycle ride. We'll be going less than 60 miles per hour, so we'll use the skeleton back door. This door will allow us to get great sound in the video. We want to mount the camera to the side of the helmet to get some great footage of the ride. Be sure the surface is clean and smooth. Because a helmet is curved, we'll use the curved adhesive mount. Peel off the backing and firmly press the mount onto the surface. The next thing to do is attach the 3-way pivot arm to the mount. No matter what configuration you'll use with this arm, the first step is to disassemble it. Then use a short thumb screw to connect the long twist to the quick release. To mount the camera on top of the long twist, be sure the nut of the quick release is on top. Connect the short twist with the nut pointed toward the quick release mount. Attach the camera with the long thumb screw. Slide the quick release to the adhesive mount. You're ready to go. So you captured some great videos and photos, but that's just the beginning. Relive your experience and share it with your friends. To play back or share from your smartphone or tablet, use the GoPro app. Or easily play back content on your computer using the latest GoPro software. For more information about anything in this video, visit gopro.com/getstarted.